Hello, boys and girls. It is Miss Lingle again with another You've Got It Letterland lesson. Let's do some quick dash. I'm going to make myself bigger so you can see. What sound? Eh. What sound? Ah or a. What sound? What sound? Eh. Mmm. Who is this? Look at my card. Who is that? That is Sleepy Sammy. And what sound does he make? Zzz. Good job. We learned him yesterday. And who is this? Sammy Snake. And what sound does he make? S. And t. Very good. Okay. Let me shrink myself down. Sammy Snake's best friend is his sister, Sally Snake. Sometimes she joins him at the end of short words. Then they both love to hiss exactly the same sound at exactly the same time. So you only hear their sound once, like this. Good job. Okay, let's roller coaster these sounds on our arm and blend them together. Remember, Sally and Sammy always hiss together at exactly the same time, so it sounds just like one hiss. So start with your shoulders. Hiss. Now, blend the first two sounds. Hiss. Hiss. Can you all hiss right now? Good. Whenever we see any two of the same letters together, they make their sound together. So we always hear only one sound. When we see them at the end of a word, we call them friends at the end, like Sammy and Sally Snake. Kids, tell your parents what happens when two of the same letters are side by side. I hope you said that they only make one sound. And what do we call them when Sammy and Sally are at the end of a word? Friends on the end. Good job. Okay. So, for this, we changed Harry Hatman to Kicking King. So let's read our word. Get your roller coasters out, and we're going to start with this sound right here. K, kiss, kiss. Very good. Here's another one. Mess. You only hear them hissing one time at the end of the word, don't you? Okay. Pass. Please pass the jelly or the mashed potatoes. Here's another one. Miss. I know your teachers miss seeing you here at school, and we can't wait to see you again. Oh, let's see what word this is. It has to be an important word because the T is capital. Let's see. Tess. Who do we know that is Tess that we've learned about? Who has a name that's Tess? I hope you said Talking Tess because that is correct. Now, that is the end of our live reading. So remember, when you see best friends at the end or two of the same letters, like Sammy and Sally, they make their same sound at the same time. And we'll learn more about friends at the end later in the year. Okay? Thanks, boys and girls, and I will see you tomorrow for a review of what we've done this week.